Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my fidgets and I'm going to be rating them. So yeah, so first this one, I really like the color on this, it's so cool. So my sister's playing with her Barbie dolls and yeah, and I just came from school, I don't know what time it is, yeah, but I came home from school. Yeah, so I changed and I'm wearing some gray shorts. Some gray shorts, and I have like this. So yeah, and I'm sitting on a chair. So yeah, I really like this puppet. It's so cool. I don't know when I got this. I think it was like probably 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have anxiety. Whatever. Like yeah, I worry a lot. That's why I have fidgets. Yeah, I have a lot actually. See? So yes. Now I'm gonna show you. Oh wait. Ew. Oh yeah. And I rate this puppet. I would say an 8 out of 10. Yeah. And this. So it's my hexagon puppet. Hexagon, yeah. And yeah. And it makes such a good sound. I got this at the mall, I think. Yeah. Satisfying. This is the loud side. They have 2 loud sides. Because this is, yeah. And I like orange too. I have a TikTok account. But I don't know what, I forgot what the user is. Yeah. I think I'm probably gonna look at it. Yeah. I rate this one a 10 out of 10. Just because it has such a good sound and I like the color. And yeah. Yeah. And it works so good. And yeah. I think you can get fidgets at Walmart, Target, Learning Express. I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, next is this. Yeah, I rate that orange puppet a 10 out of 10. Now this blue puppet. I got this about over, I think 2 months ago. I don't know, probably. I started fidget collecting. I think it was probably 3 months ago. I'd say, cause like, yeah, or 2 months ago. I don't know. I really don't know when I started fidget collecting. Yeah. So this blue puppet, I like it. Yeah, I really. Yeah. This blue puppet is very satisfying. And the quiet side is kind of loud. Let me show you. Yeah. So that's the orange puppet. So yeah. So next is this. Oh wait, is it? Yeah, it's on the good side. I rate that puppet. I would say a 5 out of 10, or a 10 out of 10. Next is this simple spinner. I don't really like this because like it doesn't spin that good. Like, oh wait, actually it does. Oh yeah, it does. Never mind. I really like this actually. I like all of fidgets. Yeah, so I rate this one. I would say no, actually a 7 out of 10 or 8. 7 out of 8 out of 10 or whatever. Next is this flower puppet. I really like this. It's green and I like the title. Yeah, and it has the quiet side is very quiet, kind of. Yeah, I rate this a 6 out of 10 or 5. And I really like the pop thingies right there.
I just had to get
Next is this yellow puppet. Let's try it. I rate this one a 10 out of 10. I like the yellow color. I like the sound. Like 10 out of 10. Okay. I'm gonna in summer I'm gonna do Rolling Sky fan maids again. And if we get new levels, I'll show you them. I doubt that. I think we're getting new levels in June. Probably when the corona, cause like the corona came and then Rolling Sky was done. Dead. It was dead. It's gonna be working again soon. I promise. Probably I really don't know when. I'm a Rolling Sky fan. Yes, I am. I love that game. Okay. Next is this. How many poppets do we have? How many? Are you serious? That's so much.
Let me pack up the thing.
Yeah, it's a poppet. No. Oh, and I need this. I need all my poppets on the good side so I can pop them. There is a G. Yeah, so next, this bear poppet. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Yes. I don't have much time to like do like videos. Like, I have 9 minutes to do this one. 7, 8. I have 2 more. Good. So yeah. Next, my triple dimple. This is a 10 out of 10. More like a 20 out of 10. Cause like this works so good. Let me show you. Just this. It has such good sound. I don't have a simple dimple, but I really, really like this. Like it's so satisfying. This is just I can't. Like it's so nice. Yeah, I rate it a 10 out of 10 or 20 out of 10. Okay, next is this.
Hi guys.
Next is this marble meshy. Yeah, you can just do this. You can check the bone side. Yeah, I rate this a 2 out of 10 because it doesn't really work good. And I still like it. Next, this another thing. I rate this a 7 out of 10 because it's really fun to play with. Yeah. Shoot, I need to hurry. Next is Wacky Track. I rate it a 10 out of 10. This is just amazing. The sound. Oh my throat is itchy. I'm gonna go to TikTok and make videos after this one. So yeah. Should I make a Rolling Sky fan maid right now? Yes. Okay guys, this is it for the video. Yeah. I'll do more videos like this probably. I don't know when I get new Fidgets. So yeah, wait. I rate this a 10 out of 10. I like the green and I like the orange. Yeah. So I'm gonna make some Rolling Sky fan made soon in the summer. Yes, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you I don't know. Yeah, but I'll definitely make a video soon. So yeah. Happy Memorial Day too, because it's coming up, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to do with my family. I'll probably put a flag out and say like Happy Memorial Day in a card, cause like yeah, and I was wearing let me just show before this video ends. Let me show you the hat I got. Okay, so this is glow in the dark. Whoa, it's red everywhere. Yeah, it's very cool too, and it's also glows in the dark. Okay, bye guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you. I don't know. Wait, let me just show you. 18 more seconds. How do you? To the end. Okay, bye guys.